So, watch out for the cameras. May makikita kayo. Milking of the roots and the race winners to see some waters. Today is another opportunity to go down whatever. Huwag lang kumambay doon para magpa-portrait. We've been experiencing some tremors, aftershocks, coming to shock. But hopefully, may lumabas. Okay? At nandun kayo tumatakbo. Okay? Malihog lang. As our already champion because lusa sa kanya na maaga. Ang aga niyang gumising, wala pa yan si Mr. Sun. Nandito lang. May nakakabit dyan na rocket stop. Ano pong gagawin natin dyan? Pupunuhin po natin yung rocket stop and then go to the